Yo, what's good, everyone? Back again on the channel on the grind as always. I just want to run you through two trades that I've taken today. One of them was a win, one of them was a loss. Quite unfortunate the loss was because let me just. Oh, I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, anyways, let me just put out my position out here. Yeah, so okay, let me just. I'm gonna actually do a full fucking bias today and everything, so it's gonna look nice, right? So going to the market open, we can see that we swept Asian session high during the London session at 10 a.m. European time, obviously. So this buy side liquidity got swept, which caused this movement downwards, right? So market opens right here at 15:30. So going into the market, I marked out this size liquidity, which is laying in the same place as daily Ferrari gap and 4 hour order block, if I'm not mistaken. So that was my initial target for the day. I was hoping either to get a move down towards this and then look for longs from this level, like this, right? Or to simply move down, right? And then head this tomorrow by chance. These are my two options, right? So going to market open, we can see a clean turtle soup right here, just right before the market opens. But you know, we do not trade pre-market, right? But we have to go with narrative. So following the narrative and considering that we had this big movement, big reaction of this buy side liquidity and this turtle soup on here, where that caused this move down, I knew that we're gonna be looking for shorts today, and my target was this 15-minute low. Yeah, so going to market open, I was on the 1 minute time frame, right? We have market open candle and the second one, which are both bearish. I marked out this Ferrari gap, and as you can see, we tapped into it, right? But at the same time, we've made a 3 minute Ferrari gap on both time frames, but I'm just gonna mark it out on ES, because ES was the was actually the thing that caused me to take this trade. Because of SMT, basically the internal SMT, right? So I was hoping for tap into this 3 minute gap on Nasdaq and then take my position off of that, but we did not get that. So I was forced to place my entry on this candle, because that's when we tapped into this Ferrari gap on ES, right, which caused the move down as well. So at this point, I knew that we're not gonna move higher. To tap into this Ferrari gap, and I was sure that this position is gonna play out, right? So my entry was somewhere here. Let me just put out my chart executions for you boys. So yeah, my entry was right on this candle. I think that was like about the candle closure, right? And then my first TP was this first 5 minute Ferrari gap here, right? And my final TP was the 1 minute first Ferrari gap, as I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, of course. Because why? I think it's really simple to explain. During this position, I was shaming myself, because first of all, I did not see this turtle soup before. If I'm like, it's giving me more reason. That's why this trade was good, right? But when I was taking this trade, of course, like there was plenty of emotions going through me, and I was quite emotional actually today, because I normally never sit that stressed that I was today. But today was just different, I guess, because the position was a scalp rather than an actual position based on the clean and the creative sweep and everything. So it was rather a continuation model, which is still quite good. And I'm so happy, of course, because I'm at like 650. I could have made 900 or like 1k on this trade, but I just couldn't hold. Just like I couldn't hold, boy. I couldn't hold. Like, oh my days, I can't even speak, boys. I couldn't hold, bro. Cause like, you know what I'm saying. like I was in the trade. I was after a massive loss yesterday. Because yesterday was just gambling, I guess. I took 650. Should have not traded today because I was FOMC. Do not trade on FOMCs, right? Make sure I have it on top tips as well, so I won't forget. But again, same mistake I made last month. Traded during FOMC, and the price action might look good at the start, like when when the market opens, obviously, but like after a while it becomes a just consolidation range, and that's why I'm not trading on FOMC days anymore after the first macro. Right. So actually, boys, on this one I will be break even, but I moved my stop loss to break even, and I got stopped out, but then the trade went back up to take profit. But it is what it is. Minus 650, a massive loss. Friday was a massive loss as well. The thing is, I go into the markets, I knew to step out. I looked at the price action and said, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find anything today, but I still tried it like a fucking retard, right? And then today I won. I didn't win. I made $465. Could have been 1K, could have been 680, but I took one more trade. As you can see, boys, that was ICT unicorn model. The only problem is that we have this big area that's bringing the price like a magnet, so this was a lower probability trade, and I should have not taken it because I got stopped out straight after I got filled in, especially that we did not come back to this Ferrari gap with this candle, but we ended up going all the way from here down, which was a clear symbol that this trade isn't gonna play out, right? So I know my mistakes now, boys. I've had a winning trade today, couldn't hold. I mean, it's good, but it's not good at the same time. Like it's both, because I took partials, but at the same time, like I couldn't hold all the way until the last TP, which would have made me like 100 more. And then if I took partials on the 1 minute Ferrari gap, on the 1 minute first Ferrari gap, I would make like 200 more as well. So it is what it is, boys. Still really good trade if I'm looking at it right now. Good narrative, good continuation, like very good. I'm pretty happy about it, and that's it basically. Might just buy another top sell account to pass both, because I know that I'm gonna pass this one. I just gotta like stop basically over trading and gambling, because that's the worst thing, that I try to revenge trade and everything. Like you see today, I had the winning trade and I locked myself out instantly after the loss, and the loss was a reduced risk as well, to not risk my capital, which I think is good. So yeah, you can see me, boys, improving from day to day. I think that trade was really good, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.